Annyeong guys, calling all Park Seo-joon fans. This video is for you. As we all know, Park Seo-joon Oppa is coming in Manila this July 12 for Century Tuna Fit for Any Role, the Ultimate Fan Fest na gaganapin sa Araneta Coliseum. If you haven't buy your tickets, guys, tickets are still available at ticketnet.com.ph. Aside from the FanFest, guys, I was so happy to know na meron palang available na mga PSJ merch. Yun nga lang, is limited edition lang siya, guys. So tara, isa-isahin na natin. As you can see, merong PSJ shirt. Perfect pang OOTD sa FanFest ni Oppa. Meron din PSJ tumbler at PSJ sticker pack. Meron pang PSJ tote bags. Pwede na rin tong ipang partner doon sa PSJ shirt. And ito guys, oh my god. The PSJ blanket. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko. Like, kasama matulog si Oppa. Hala! Talagang must have for Park Seo-joon fans, diba? How to buy the PSJ merch, guys. So it's very easy. We just need to purchase selected Century Tuna products from Lazada store, Shopee, and TikTok shop. Kailangan lang natin ma-hit yung minimum spend para makakuha ng exclusive merch for free. Available starting June 20 for online, while June 30 naman guys for partner supermarkets or in-store. Remember guys, na limited stocks lang tong PSJ merch. So the earlier you avail is mas okay para sure na available pa siya. I-visit nyo mismo yung official account ng Century Tuna. Like this one, sa Lazada store nila. Ayan, limited packs and freebies. Para sure kayo guys, hanapin nyo yung ads na ganyan nila. Nasa main page lang naman ng Lazada store nila. Then, click nyo yung shop now. Then, automatically na guys, lalabas yung mga Century products na pwede nyong bilhin. So yeah, that's it guys. Ano po hinihintay nyo? Mag-check out na kayo online para ma-avail nyo na yung PSJ merch na limited edition lang. And tell me guys sa comment section if you already got yours. Or if you have any other questions, feel free to comment it down guys. And I'll do my best to answer those. So yeah, don't miss this chance guys to get your PSJ merch, as well as don't miss out to attend the Park Seo-joon Ultimate Fan Fest happening on July 12 at Arena Coliseum. So yeah, tickets are still available guys. Don't miss this one-of-a-kind event with Oppa. So, ayun lang. Annyeong!